Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the Outer Worlds 2 crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So without wasting your time, here follow the fixes. The first fix include step 1, 2, 3 and 4. After following all 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here are the steps. The first step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear the Outer Worlds 2 cache files. So press the Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for the Outer Worlds 2 game and highlight it. Then press menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that the profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to the Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, then click on Persistent Storage and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. Now if you don't see this option in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to the Xbox settings, go to General, Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, Alternate MAC address and then click on Clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, you can launch the Outer Worlds 2 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now fix 2 is to run the Outer Worlds 2 from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type the Outer Worlds 2 in the search bar and then click on it, then click on Launch Game and check. Fix 3, manually select port. So go to the Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Settings, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that start with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one work for you. Fix 4 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. And after adding your account, launch the Outer Worlds 2 game and see if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the General tab select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings Manual, enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Save it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1. Save it and then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to reinstall the Outer Worlds game. This is the last solution. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall the Outer Worlds 2 game from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it, then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve the Outer Worlds 2 game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.